that God who brought you to this beautiful day and gave you the man you love is the only one who can keep that love new and fresh every day.
I have seen Samantha with Jesse, and it's the most unshaken I have seen her. A lot of things have been thrown her way, our way, and she's been steady. I know that's largely because of my parents, my grandparents before them, and then also because of her journey with Jesse.
This morning in the bedroom, when I was dressing her up with Barbara, I started getting emotional. Now I want to tell you, Jess, I have given you my daughter, my friend. Please, Otadin Sasa.
As everyone said, the Kasamis are our friends. Podi, na late Chris, n'abantu buturu kumanya mnonga, yitu nka family yitu. Very, very good friends. I know Jesse personally, so Jesse, warm welcome. I can't wait to visit your home.
I'm not going to tell Samantha what she should do, what she should not do. No. I brought her up. She has seen me, she has learned from me. What is good is what she has learned from me and her father and her God. What you'll find that is nothing good about her, she has got it from somewhere else. That's the truth.
Samantha, as you have heard, she's number 2 with Susan, and she's an amazing girl. I love her so much, so it's a bit difficult for me to talk about her. And all the speakers here talked and left without crying, so I don't want to be the only one to cry. But I can tell you, as a child, she has been excellent.
Samantha, you're the best little sister anyone can ask for. Everyone who's a brother knows having younger sisters it's tough. It's a tough job.
In the name of love, I encourage and congratulate Jesse that he has found a wife.
Intelligent, wise, beautiful Ugandan lady. I would like to give a bit of outside view because Samantha is the person who defends Ugandan interests the most among all my colleagues, all my Ugandan colleagues.
As the journey begins with Jesse, Know that you will always, always have a sister, confidant, and alibi in me. Today, we had to preserve some tradition, but I know that the sides that currently exist in this tent are only for formality's sake. And in reality, this is a mutual giveaway. Some might call it a merger. And after today, we'll go back to operating as normal, as one. What God has put together, let no man put asunder.
So I do congratulate Samantha, most especially as her uncle, and wish Samantha and Jesse a very successful marriage together for life.
And now we have ceremonized the giving away or marrying our daughter to their son. So really, traditionally, customarily, the marriage is complete.